subscribe our channel and press the bell icon and never miss any update from popbollywood.com.
Hi Krishna, welcome to Pop Bollywood.
थैंक यू सो
Yeah.
मच.
तो सबसे पहले मैं ट्विस्टेड 3 के बारे में जानना चाहूंगी कि कितना चैलेंजिंग था आपके लिए ट्विस्टेड 3 को डायरेक्ट करना.
एक्चुअली ट्विस्टेड 3 के पहले जो 2 ट्विस्टेड आई हैं, ट्विस्टेड 1 एंड ट्विस्टेड सीजन 2, इतनी बेहतरीन परफॉर्मेंसेस के साथ आई हैं, इतनी इट्स सो वेल लाइक्ड बाय द पीपल, इतनी तारीफ पाई है, इतना प्यार मिला है उसको कि ट्विस्टेड 3 जब डायरेक्ट करने का टाइम आया एज अ सीरीज डायरेक्टर, तो it was obviously there was more pressure कि you know it has to be better, or it was also something, it was also a challenge कि ये करके दिखाना है कि हम लोग ट्विस्टेड 3, ट्विस्टेड 1 और 2 से बेटर करेंगे. I think it happens with every sequel show that you make, whether it is a film which is a sequel, or it is a show that is a sequel, season 2, 3, 4, every time you have to try and better yourself. I think Game of Thrones maybe they had to better themselves, तो हम तो ट्विस्टेड बना रहे हैं.
इस बार जय सोनी आपके साथ में है एंड प्रिया भी है, प्रिया बैनर्जी. तो कैसा रहा एक्सपीरियंस उनके साथ में काम करने का एंड व्हाई यू चूज देम?
I think दोनों, they were both perfect fit for the role. प्रिया को अगर आप पूछेंगे तो प्रिया को पहले we had offered Twisted, and then what happened, as luck would have it, is she had to go to Canada, or it was not working out. और फिर हम लोगों ने शूटिंग चालू कर दी थी, and एक दिन पहले dad spoke to Priya, and she was back in India, and she said, okay, cool, I'm on. And next day she came for shoot. So that's how Priya came in. And Priya was always a good choice, actually not even a good choice, the best choice for Twisted 3. And she was our first choice. And then life went a full circle and she became our cast again, finally. And Jay ko cast karne mein, I think the creative team in my company was had worked with him on a small short story that we had done, and उन्होंने बोला था कि you should see Jay Soni's work and he's really good and all. And I think Jay had a personality of being a very good boy on screen as a TV face. So we met, and I think he had lost a lot of weight after the break that he had taken. So from the chubby TV good boy, chocolate boy Jay Soni, we saw like a more sexy, scintillating Jay Soni. So I think that's how we picked up, and of course the acting part. Both Priya and Jaya have actors. So having both of them on board made the show even better. I think there couldn't have been another choice for Karan Sabharwal and Myra Banerjee.
Hi Jay, how are you?
I'm good. How are
Jay,
you?
you have to move your camera to a horizontal position.
Horizontal?
Yeah.
Okay. Wait. Is it okay?
Can
No.
you just
No.
Okay, wait. Is it okay?
Yeah, now it is okay.
Hi, Krishna.
Game se Jay.
Krishna, that was so sweet. I was just listening to what you were saying, that it's a Jay Suni. I said, wow.
So जय, कैसा रहा एक्सपीरियंस काम करने का कृष्णा मैम के साथ में एंड आपके कैरेक्टर के बारे में कुछ जानना चाहेंगे?
Okay. First, I will say that how it was working with Krishna, it was very good. Initially, मैं थोड़ा honestly Krishna से डर रहा था because she came across as very, एक वो strict teacher होती है ना स्कूल में, तो वो थोड़ी वैसी लगी मुझे. And Krishna, at times she has that straight face, like hi. So you don't know, okay, whether it was a good high, she's in a bad mood, she's in a good mood, she's in an okay mood. So initially, 1-2 days was a little difficult for me because obviously I was a little scared and nervous. But
Hi
then
guys, sorry my
slowly-
computer keeps freezing today. I don't know why.
Okay. So yes, when we started working, and I was always मैं मेरी वही कोशिश थी हर बार कि कृष्णा खुश हो आफ्टर एवरी शॉट कि चलो ठीक है. सो आई यूज्ड टू गो अप टू हर, कृष्णा ठीक था ना, कृष्णा ओके था ना. And before the scene, and like before we shoot any scene, I used to ask her that, Krishna, what do you think the mood should be? And she exactly used to give me that tone कि अच्छा इसके पहले ये हो चुका है, so right now you are in this mood or you are little in that zone. So that helped a lot because I need a director. I'm a director's actor. फिर नहीं तो मुझे कभी कभार ऐसा होता है ना, डायरेक्टर्स लेके हाँ जो तुम्हें ठीक लग रहा है वो करो. Then I become blank. So yeah, Krishna was always there to explain. And then कभी कभार I think एक दो बार हल्की सी डांट भी पड़ी थी कृष्णा से, but that was because हम लोग we were अरे वो हंसते ही जा रहे थे, and she was literally I couldn't make out that okay guys चलो अभी because
They
Priya and I were
always
laughing
used to laugh when my time was running out.
yeah, and Krishna को फिर थोड़ा होता था, मैंने कहा okay sorry, but yeah, if you know Krishna, she's super fun and फिर otherwise she comes across as very strict teacher. Okay, हो गया सब, हो गया हंसना, चलो अभी करे shoot.
In fact, she's made me laugh the most before.
नहीं, but with me it was ulta.
अब जब प्रिया हमारे साथ में आ गई तो प्रिया से ही जान लेते हैं कि कितना डिफिकल्ट था कृष्णा मैम के साथ में काम करना.
बिल्कुल कितना डिफिकल्ट, बिल्कुल.
आप तो मतलब पूछ रही है ऐसे क्या डिफिकल्ट हो.
आपका सवाल ही गलत है.
सवाल ही गलत है, ये सवाल ही गलत है.
तो कितना मजा आया आपको काम करने में?
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
ये अच्छा सवाल था.
That's a better question. मुझे बहुत मजा आया. In fact, me and Krishna had a blast on set, and I think she's made me laugh the most on set, with especially just before the intense scenes or some serious conversations about to happen, and just before that she would come crack a joke to my ear and she would walk away like nothing happened. No big deal. Chalo, abhi shot do. And in my head, I'm like, what is going on? What did she just say? So she's been super fun to work with, and as a director also, she always knew what she wants from an actor in a take. So which is great because that's,
and
I mean, as an actor, it's very important. क्या कुछ बोल रहे थे आप?
नहीं, मैं बोला था after every take अगर जानना है कैसा था कृष्णा, we used to see कृष्णा तो उसकी शक्ल पे exactly लिखा होता था how happy she is, like okay ठीक था, okay very good, they're like okay चलो काम चल रहा है, चलो ठीक है, okay guys we're getting late, चलो ठीक. तो उसकी शक्ल पे ना हर एक expression was so clear about this shot that she is वो जो level होता है ना मीटर का कि कितना happy she is. If she's happy, then instantly you'll come to that she's very happy with the shot. Oh guys, super good shot. That was Krishna's, word after if she's happy with the shot.
Which is great, na? Then okay, you've given a right take. Then you know that we're on the right path. We're looking at Krishna's expression.
और कृष्णा कभी नहीं बोलती ना good shot, तो हम कभी ऐसे जाके good shot तो था ना, it was good, no? Like हाँ, good.
See, Jen, I was happy with you. With me, she was very happy with my shot. So I don't. Your story is very different from mine.
हाँ, पता नहीं, maybe I was like not that.
अब दोनों के कैरेक्टर के बारे में जानना चाहिए.
Jay took some time to ease into Karan Sabharwal's character.
Yeah.
Priya took to Myra instantly. I think I don't know how, because Myra is
Complicated.
complicated. तो
I like complicated characters.
मुझे पता नहीं है कि how Priya took to Myra. I honestly, when Dad
Are you like that in real life?
Very twisted.
When Dad said that Priya is on, I thought that it will take at least 1-2 दिन का काम लगेगा कि she'll get into the skin of the character and all. But in the first scene only, she was in the skin of the character, and I don't know. I mean, I think she studied it or something. With Jay, I think he took 1 scene or 2 scenes to get into the skin of the character.
Yeah, or I took. Yeah.
But then once they were both in the skin of the character, I don't think that it came to that at all. They were. Yes.
जय, अभी कृष्णा मैम ने बताया कि आपने किस तरीके से अपनी बॉडी को ट्रांसफॉर्म किया इस रोल के लिए, इस कैरेक्टर के लिए, तो आपकी जो पूरी जर्नी थी वो जानना चाहेंगे.
बहुत डिफिकल्ट थी, it was very difficult because see I'm a गुज्जू, तो इतनी आसानी से हमारा वजन कम होता नहीं.
He's a गुज्जू ना, he says that in every interview.
Yeah, no, but अभी गुज्जू ही बोलूँगा ना हूँ तो.
He just blames it on being Gujju. Do you know that our thepla doklas are so healthy?
Yeah, no, it is healthy, but obviously with उसमें बहुत सारा प्यार होता है, घी होता है, तेल होता है, so घर से वो प्यार आता ही है. So for me it was very difficult to lose weight because the 3 years of जो gap हो गया था उसमें I had put on weight, and I wanted to come back, you know, with not only losing weight but with some different, you know, look. So it was very difficult for me. I literally had to cut off, you know, like I was not going with, you know, like any socializing, partying or anything, because अगर मैं जाता हूँ वहाँ पे so खाना पीना हो जाता है, so my friends, you know, got worried कि are you okay, because I still remember one of my friend called me at 12 in the night. I said क्या हो गया इसको अभी कॉल करा. I said yeah, what happened? It's like तू ठीक है ना? I said yeah, I'm okay. Why? It's like no, you don't, you know, meet now anymore, and ना तू group पे reply करता है. तो तू ठीक है ना? Are you okay? If anything you want to share it with me. But I said no, I'm okay. So there's a lot of, because I didn't want any distraction कि अगर friends लोग के साथ बाहर जाऊँ तो खाना पीना हो जाएगा, कितना control करूँगा. So it was very difficult for me. But yeah, so I was just happy that
You can go out once in 2 weeks, yeah.
no. My thing is if I go once in 2 weeks, then again I want to go out. You know, फिर मेरा 2 week से 1 week हो जाएगा. फिर 1 week से यार 3 दिन हो गए, अभी तो 1 दिन जा ही सकता हूँ. I know my
No
friends know how.
control, you have no control.
No, but then I control. No, पूरा ही control कर लिया मैंने. Because I know once if I start, then I
But
start.
I think the final result was ulala. It was ulala for literally
Yeah.
Priya. I think we both, when Karan came as Karan Sabharwal, when Jay removed his shirt for the scene, I think Priya and I just exchanged this one look. Those are 6-pack abs. We were very appreciative of those abs.
Thank you for all the hard work. We're very appreciative of your hard work.
Hard work or hot work?
Both.
Hard work. Hard
This
work.
is going to be the headline of the interview, and then you'll be like, how is this the headline of the interview?
No, but भले like body इतनी अच्छी थी, but I was you know, मतलब मेरा पूरा concentration was like कि मैं अच्छे से perform कर लूँ. कि चलो now I was sure about that. Okay, I'm looking good. But then I was so nervous, you know, initial 1-2 days set पे मैं actually I was like,
You
you know,
didn't have to be nervous. You were looking too good, yeah. Eye candy हो गया था तू.
See, the director is giving you the compliment. What else do you need?
जय और प्रिया से जानना चाहेंगे आपके कैरेक्टर के बारे में और किस तरीके से आपने अपने कैरेक्टर को निभाने के लिए प्रिपरेशंस की थी.
मुझे टाइम ही नहीं मिला कुछ प्रिपेयर करने का. She said that I said yes to the
this
show.
was all your game, Priya. This is full Myra. You were prepared that you were gonna get this. You will do this.
I was
So you were
born
just
to
preparing.
twist it. I was preparing for Twisted since the day I was born. I was like, अपना हक पाने के लिए. I was doing that since day one. But unfortunately, I didn't get any time. I wish I did to prepare for Myra. But it all happened so fast. Like I said yes, and then the next day I was shooting, and I mean, but of course there was Krishna. My first couple of shots was with Vikram sir, only directed it himself. So of course that helped, and the way he usually explains a shot, it's so easy to just understand the character the moment he explains that, okay, this is how I want you to do it, and this is how you should do Myra. It's so simple, like in very simple words, but yet you get what he's trying to get out of you as a character. So I'm glad he did the first couple of shots with me, and he kind of explained Myra to me, and I was just like, okay, let me try this. So there was no preparation as such for Myra, but luckily there was Vikram sir, Krishna.
ये आपकी क्या प्रिपरेशंस रही है?
See, as I said, मेरी preparation, like I did a little bit of my homework.
He just walked out and did some sit-ups and some push-ups, and
no, that obviously I did. मतलब before the body shots and all, मैं पूरा like पहले मैं physical, you know, वो बोलता हूँ, फिर मैं उस पे acting पे आऊँगा. So then I stopped water for like a day because, you know, shirt उतरनी थी, तो I had to look little, you know, presentable. So that was very difficult. I was not eating much carbs.
Water. I don't understand this.
Yeah, because, you know, body पूरी dry होती है ना, that makes
The muscle becomes, I think it comes out more. The
the sharpness.
the sharpness.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I know a lot
So,
of people who don't drink water.
yeah.
I
And
would die.
मतलब body, yeah, obviously you can, like if you go a little overboard, then people do, suffer some all this, heart attacks and all that. तो उससे तो मैं ऐसा कुछ नहीं किया था मैंने उतना, बट हाँ. And for the performance, I was totally dependent on Vikram sir and Krishna कि please guide me, भले मुझे गाली भी पड़ेगी. So but yes, I was full like in not like a blank book, but yeah, a little bit I had, but then I was like कि क्या करूँ कैसे करूँ, because I knew कि मैं कितना भी homework करके जाऊँगा, no, at the end I don't prepare myself too much. I just go with the flow, and so that easily mold ho jaun when my director is asking me to do something. Because if I go full prepared and full set in my mind, then at times it becomes very difficult for me to mold myself according to what director wants. So I prepare a little bit, and then I ask them, okay, what exactly you want, like the tone and everything, and then थोड़ी गाली पड़ती है, then मैं फिर सीख जाता हूँ.
मेरा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन सबके लिए है. हम सब जानते हैं कि यहाँ पे कितनी मस्ती हो रही थी सेट पे, बहुत ज्यादा ही मस्ती हुई रहेगी. तो ऐसी कोई बेस्ट मेमोरी जो सेट की हो, और या फिर ऐसा कोई स्पेशल सीन जो इसमें वेब सीरीज में है और जो आप हमारे साथ में शेयर करना चाहे, जो आपकी मेमोरी में हमेशा आपके साथ रहेगी.
बहुत कुछ है और वो सब आपसे शेयर कर ही नहीं सकते क्योंकि बहुत सब ट्विस्टेड चीजें हैं.
I think the amount of gossip that Priya, Jay and I have done,
It's
that
healthy.
gossip leaks.
Healthy gossip.
अगर ये गॉसिप लीक हो गए तो मतलब थोड़ा करियर पे असर पड़.
Controversial.
But it was so much fun, in between shots जब भी टाइम मिलता था तो हम लोग बैठ के थोड़ा और एकदम फ्रेश हो जाते थे फिर, like it's like we should do it more
gossip
often.
is what you need.
Right? Yeah.
And Jay
It's
is the
very
biggest gossip, by the way. Jay would come to
love.
Priya and me and be like, you know what? And we'll be like
I am like वो होता ना give and take वाला कि मैं एक gossip दे रहा हूँ तो आप लोग दो देना, ठीक है? So but I loved that, like I accepted that I love all this gossips and all that, healthy ones.
प्रिया
We're not. Huh? Sorry.
प्रिया जय, इस जो वेब सीरीज है इसे विक्रम सर ने भी डायरेक्ट किया है, तो कैसा रहा एक्सपीरियंस उनके साथ में? कृष्णा, आपसे भी जानना चाहेंगे कि आपके फादर के साथ में कितना टफ था आपके लिए काम करना, बिकॉज ही इज नोन फॉर हिज परफेक्शनिज्म.
So I think dad came to the set जब मैं like अगर मेरा कोई प्रेसिंग अपॉइंटमेंट था जो मैं मिस नहीं कर पाई थी, like it was a doctor's appointment और मेरी तबीयत ठीक नहीं थी, so I had to go to the doctor. So that was the day that Jay and Priya had their first scene. So for that day dad said ठीक है मैं जाके डायरेक्ट करना चालू करता हूँ क्योंकि शिफ्ट तो हम लोग कैंसिल नहीं कर सकते. So I reached the set by 12 o'clock and he was there at 10 o'clock. So I think that's how he ended up directing those scenes. Lekin dad was not at all otherwise he interfering in any way. He let us do what we are doing. Feedback milta tha office se. Him being a perfectionist made us also strive to be perfectionists कि हम भी अपना पूरा काम अच्छे से करें. And I think that his ability to do so well at work made us want to do it better.
See, I've worked. In fact, today only one of my friends, Shivin, who's he messaged me saying I'm watching Rain. Wow, what a shoot today! So I'm not kidding. Till date, I get messages from people who watch. In fact, my first ever web show was with Vikram sir, and even then, I remember he used to give me feedback on the phone, like after watching a scene or something. And with him, the best thing that I've realized is his feedbacks, like whatever he says about what he wants in a character, he says it so calmly and in such words that are very simple, but yet you just get, it's not like, it's not complicated. He knows what he wants, and the way he'll explain it to you is also so smooth. And after he explains that, okay, this is what I want from Myra, this is what he wanted from me when I was doing Rain, and the way he would explain the guy, I was just like, oh, okay, this is what you need. And I'm anyway somebody who, as Jay said, I don't believe in preparing completely 110% and coming on set, because then you already have something in your head that this is how you want to do it. But at the end of the day, it's a director's vision and the writer's vision. So it's nice to, when you're more of like, like a little bit of an empty plate, because then you know that what they say and how they see the character is what you really need to portray. So luckily, I mean, of course, Vikram is not scary at all. He's super chilled out, super fun, super.
But he looks scary. He looks scary.
He can. Sometimes it's like, oh my God, did I do this right? Something wrong? But then he'll explain it so nicely and so calmly and so smoothly. You're just like, oh, okay, this is how I need to do it. And you just get it right away. So it's very easy. He's very easy to work with.
Yeah.
Yes, firstly, मैं तो obviously डर रहा था. मैं तो दोनों से डर रहा था, कृष्णा से और विक्रम सर दोनों से.
सिर्फ डरे रहते हो.
पट्टू है तो यार.
पट्टू है जय. मैं तो बहुत डर रहा था.
No, but I am like that. मैं like initial, 1-2 days I take time, because for me director is like there, So like, hi sir, because I don't know, I have that thing, मेरी school मतलब थोड़ा schooling वैसे हुई है that director से थोड़ा, hi sir, how are you? So I still remember when I was, sir explained me about Karan, that how he wants this character to be. So it took like not more than 3 minutes. He explained me the character in 3 minutes, gave me an example of someone. And I said, oh, ऐसा चाहिए आपको. And he showed it to me that. So उन्होंने एक थोड़ा सा एक line मुझे बोली उस tone में, and I understood in that, that okay, this is what he wants. And then more, see, his personality is like that, that you get scared, not scared, but how do I explain now? थोड़ा डर लगता है. That's what his whole personality and aura is. Yeah. हाँ, और मैं तो पहले से थोड़ा डरता हूँ. So डरता is like more of respect, that I. So it took like a day for me. और फिर कृष्णा entered, तो 1-2 दिन और ज्यादा लग गए. उसी में schedule खत्म हो गया हमारा.
Shut up, yeah. What nonsense.
No, but I had a blast. I think, Priya, your first web show was with Vikram sir. Mine also with Vikram sir. So I think it's like a lucky thing.
Yes, absolutely.
Krishna. Krishna, मेरा क्वेश्चन नेक्स्ट आपसे है. ऐसा न्यूज़ था कि आपकी जो फर्स्ट चॉइस थी वो नेहा शर्मा थी, उसके बाद में हाउ प्रिया केम ऑन बोर्ड.
So I think the first 2 seasons of Twisted had Nia as a character that was taking revenge. It was a romantic thriller of sorts. And जो पहले 2 episodes, पहले 2 seasons थे, they ended. It was not कि निया को रिप्लेस किया है या क्योंकि कहानी ही कंप्लीटली नहीं है. इट वाजंट लाइक निया को हटा के किसी और को लाना था. सो when Nia's story ended, we had to come up with another story of Twisted. And I think my dad first approached Priya, I think, and at that time Priya had to go to Canada या ऐसा कुछ. I think
so you approached, it happened twice. So first time he approached, I was shooting for something, the dates clashed. Second time I was in Canada.
Yeah, so I think when he approached Priya, she was not free. Then we went with a couple of other options and all. It didn't work out. Then I think 1 month later or 2 months later we were shooting, and again we'd still not got our Myra Sinha. So I think Dad again messaged Priya, and this time Priya was luckily in Mumbai, not shooting and free, with the grace of God, touch wood. And the next day she was on set, and it was absolutely brilliant because she just slid into the skin of the character, which is very rare, is which I said even before. I think that whether Dad explains it or not, I think if the actor doesn't understand, then you don't get what you want.
लास्टली आपका ज्यादा टाइम नहीं लेते हुए मैं आपसे ये जानना चाहूंगी कि फैंस को आप क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगे?
Give us all the
11 को
love.
आप लोग ट्विस्टेड 3 प्लीज देखिएगा.
11 को आ रहा है and it's a beautiful number and I was so excited when they announced this 11/11. Always end up seeing 11/11 on my phone, whenever I look at the time, somehow it's always like 11/11 or 111. So it's like a very lucky number for me, and I hope it is for everybody else and the show. So please watch Twisted 3 and let us know what you feel about it.
Thank you guys for joining us.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you
you.
so much.
Thank
Thank you.
Bye.